2018 Audi S5 Sportback. Fashionable and quick, yes, but also coolly distant. The four-door hatchback Audi S5 Sportback combines the comfort and convenience of the S4 sedan with the sleek looks of the S5 coupe. The S5 Sportback is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine with 354 horsepower and a heady 369 lb-ft of torque. A smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission is standard, and it works with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system to accelerate the Sportback with appropriate haste. In spite of its strong performance, the S5 Sportback is missing that special something that earns a car a spot in the sports sedan hall of fame and in the hearts of enthusiasts. Its steering feel is distant, its chassis aloof. The Sportback benefits from the added versatility of its hatchback body and 22 cubic feet of cargo space behind its back seat. Practicality never looked so good, if only there were an equal amount of driver engagement. Highs. Stunning looks, versatile hatchback body style, Audi fit and finish. Lows. Oddly uninvolving handling, laggy off the line. Verdict. Proof that it takes more than stirring styling, tenacious grip, and a powerful engine to stir our souls. What's new for 2018? The S5 Sportback is all new for 2018, offering a hatchback body style for extra versatility. Based on the mechanical package of the S5 Coupe and convertible, the four-door Sportback sits on a longer wheelbase than its two-door counterparts and casts a shadow 2.4 inches greater. Power comes courtesy of Audi's latest forced induction V6 mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The turbocharged 3.0-liter produces 354 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, 21 horses and 44 lb-ft of twist more than the supercharged V6 that powered the previous generation S5 Coupe and convertible. Trims and options we'd choose. With a base price of $55,375, $3,000 more than the S4 sedan but $200 less than an S5 Coupe, the Audi S5 Sportback Premium Plus comes nicely equipped with features such as leather seating, heated front seats with a massaging function, 3-zone automatic climate control, and a 7.0-inch infotainment screen. And yet, we can't help wanting a few more toys, which is why we'd spend $4,400 to purchase the Prestige trim, which adds niceties such as Audi's virtual cockpit digital gauge cluster, head-up display, 8.3-inch infotainment screen with navigation, 360-degree camera. We'd also check the option boxes for the $1,800 driver assistance package, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic high-beam headlights, the $2,500 S Sport package, red brake calipers, adaptive dampers, torque vectoring rear differential, and $350 worth of rear side airbags. Add it all up, and our S5 Sportback sets us back $64,425. Engine and transmission review. In place of the old S5's supercharged V6, the new S5 features a new turbocharged unit. Displacing 3.0 liters, the Turbo V6 is more powerful and torquier than its predecessor. The 8-speed automatic transmission performs admirably most of the time, but its preference for second gear starts when in comfort mode exacerbates the engine's initial turbo lag and renders the S5 annoyingly sleepy off the mark. Tap the drive select switch out of comfort mode and into dynamic or auto mode, however, and the S5 Sportback will eagerly leave the line in first gear. Similarly, the transmission is reluctant to downshift at speed in comfort mode. Again, swapping to dynamic or auto largely rectifies this issue. Regardless of mode, the all-wheel drive S5 Sportback is devoid of wheel spin on acceleration, and the car's 4 summer tires. Ours had the larger 19 inchers, an $800 option grip the pavement with tenacity when the throttle is uncorked. Manual control of the transmission is available by way of the thick console-mounted gearshift lever or a pair of flimsy-feeling paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel. Fuel economy review. The S5 Sportback is one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles within its competitive set. Rated at 21 mpg city and 30 mpg highway by the EPA, the 354 HP S5 Sportback is almost as fuel efficient on paper as the small, 160 HP Fiat 500L. Performance and driving impressions review. Quick and comfortable, the S5 Sportback puts up serious performance figures. Look past the test results, however, and the model lacks the driver involvement found in its more dynamically engaging competition. Acceleration. Around town, the S5 often doesn't feel quick. But when pressed, it certainly is. With the help of its launch control system, the S5 Sportback accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a class-competitive 4.3 seconds. At highway speeds, the S5 Sportback accelerates with fervor, returning a 50 to 70 mph passing time that's virtually the equal of the quickest competitors. Ride, handling, and steering. Our test car was equipped with both the optional 19-inch performance tires and the $2,500 S Sport package, which includes a torque vectoring rear differential and adaptive dampers. These pieces together provide the S5 Sportback with a firm but forgiving ride and a lot of grip. 0.95 grams in our skid pad test. Those buyers with the skills and experience to push the Sportback to its lofty limits, though, will find that the S5 Sportback defaults to fun-killing understeer. Our test car also sported the $1,150 dynamic steering option, which features a steering setup that gets quicker the farther the wheel is turned. We found the pricey steering system lifeless and unpredictable, a big part of the reason it isn't as rewarding to drive aggressively on twisty roads as we would hope. We recommend buyers stick with the S5 Sportback's standard steering setup. Braking. Standard summer tires, a firm brake pedal, and big 13.8-inch front rotors clamped by 6-piston calipers helped the more than 2-ton S5 Sportback come to a stop from 70 miles per hour in an impressively short 158 feet. Interior review. Like all Autos, the S5 Sportback's interior features high-quality materials, top-notch fit and finish, and an ergonomically friendly design. Interior space comparisons. In spite of its low roofline, the S5 Sportback is relatively spacious on the inside. Those seeking even more interior space will be better served by the less swoopy but mechanically identical Audi S4, which includes almost half an inch more legroom for rear seat passengers. Interior features. Mirroring the basic cabin design of other Audi models, the S5 Sportback features a clean and contemporary dashboard made of high-quality materials and constructed with laser precision. All controls are ergonomically placed and are generally simple to use, and every S5 Sportback features luxuries such as front seats with heating and massage functions, 3 climate control zones, a sunroof, and a proximity key with push-button start. Interior sound level. Modern cabins do an excellent job of insulating passengers from ambient noise, but none can completely eliminate the sharp sound of the wind and the drone of tire noise when you're traveling at highway speed. To measure the interior sound pressure level, we use a Brüel and Kager Type 2250L sound meter, which we position in the middle of the first row of seats at the height of the driver's ear. The meter automatically averages 15 seconds of sound in A-weighted decibels, dBA, taken while the test car is cruising at 70 miles per hour. A-weighting is an industry standard that adjusts decibel readings to better reflect how the human ear hears various frequencies. We take 2 measurements and average the results. We also correct for speedometer inaccuracies with our GPS-based data loggers. It is worth noting that decibels are a logarithmic unit, so a rating of 40 decibels isn't twice the sound pressure of 20 decibels, it is 10 times the sound pressure. A 6 decibel increase roughly doubles the sound pressure. Seating and step in height. To accurately measure seating height, the distance from the road to the driver's hip, we use an H-point machine, HPM, a precisely engineered device marketed by SAE International. This versatile tool, in conjunction with a laser device, reveals the width and location of roof pillar visibility obstructions, blind spots. Our HPM and laser measurement tools determine the length of road obscured by the hood as well as the road obscured by the trunk or hatch, as seen through the rear view mirror. Blind spots, visibility, and obscured roadway. The S5 Sportback features thin roof pillars that result in limited blind spots. However, high windowsills and a low hip point height result in a touch less visibility to the rear compared with other cars in its class. Infotainment review. The S5 Sportback comes standard with a 7.0-inch infotainment screen on the dashboard and a separate 7.0-inch screen in the gauge cluster. An optional 8.3-inch center console infotainment screen adds navigation and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster screen, which Audi dubs Virtual Cockpit. Both infotainment setups boast ergonomic controls and clear graphics. Infotainment features. Every S5 Sportback includes luxuries such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, voice control, and Bluetooth phone and audio. Although the standard 7.0-inch dashboard and 7.0-inch gauge cluster screens feature stunning graphics and logical menu structures, the system can't be paired with navigation. Adding that luxury requires choosing the S5 Sportback Prestige or adding the $2,600 navigation package to the Premium Plus. The package includes a larger 8.3-inch screen on the dash and a 12.3-inch gauge cluster. Infotainment performance. Our S5 Sportback Prestige test car came equipped with the larger, navigation-equipped infotainment system. Inputs are made by way of Audi's MMI control knob. Along with its intuitive controls, the system also offered noticeably quick response times to user inputs. Additionally, a touchpad at the top of the MMI control knob lets users physically write in commands for navigation functions, phone book entries, and more. Test results, infotainment response time. We measure the electrical current that each USB port provides. All USB ports found in a vehicle provide 5.0 volts, per the USB standard. Current, measured in amps, varies and dictates the charge times of devices. The higher the amps, the quicker a device's charge time. Not all USB devices are created equal. Most modern smartphones can charge at 2.0 amps, while slow or stagnant charging can result from using current at 1.0 amp or lower when the device is in use. Cargo space and storage review. Thanks to its hatchback body style, the S5 Sportback is impressively versatile and has the roomiest trunk in this set. Cabin storage space is limited but PAR for the class. Cargo volume comparisons. Despite possessing cargo space behind its rear seat that rivals the Audi A4 Allroad wagon, the S5 Sportback held only a handful of additional carry-on luggage cases in its trunk compared with its rivals. Credit its steeply raked rear roofline relative to the conventionally shaped Allroad. Still, the S5's comparatively low lift-over height and tall, wide opening make loading items into the S5 Sportback particularly easy. Interior cubby storage. Interior cubby storage in the S5 Sportback is only average for the class. A thin center console space, a compact glove box, average size door pockets, and a sizable storage bin to the left of the steering column are the most noteworthy places for stashing items such as cell phones or sunglasses. Exterior review. Building on the elegant design of the four-cylinder A5 Sportback, the S5 Sportback adds aggressive styling cues such as assertive front and rear bumpers, quad tailpipes, a decklid spoiler, and model-specific wheels. Exterior features. The S5 Sportback is an unabashedly beautiful car. Flowing lines complement a tapered roofline that concludes in a steeply raked hatchback. Shapely fenders and an angry maw add an aggressiveness to the design, which reflects the powerful turbocharged V6 engine hiding beneath the hood. The resulting design is both sporty and elegant. AFETI and driver assistance review. The S5 Sportback has yet to be crash tested by either of the independent testing agencies, so we cannot award it a star rating here. Nearly all of the latest active safety gear is available in the S5 Sportback, and Audi makes key features such as front and rear automated emergency braking standard. Crash test results. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the non-profit, Independent Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, evaluate vehicles for crashworthiness in the United States. NHTSA assigns cars an overall rating out of 5 stars. IIHS uses a different set of tests, grades cars on a scale of good to poor, and awards the vehicles that perform best across its tests with top safety pick or top safety pick and honors, the latter of which requires that the subject's automated forward collision braking system performs well. Airbags, child seats, and spare tire location. The rear seat's bottom cushion is heavily bolstered and angled upward, making it difficult to get the base of the child seat level. What's more, we struggled to get the carrier in and out of the back seat due to the narrow rear door openings. On the plus side, the latch anchors are easy to locate. Active safety features. Audi Group's active safety items such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beam headlights into the driver assistance package. The $1,800 setup is exclusively available on the top-of-the-line S5 Sportback Prestige and can't be added to lesser Premium Plus models. But a host of other active safety tech is standard, including front and rear automated emergency braking, forward collision warning, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and front and rear parking sensors. Warranty review. The S5 Sportback's warranty is average for the class, and its complimentary scheduled maintenance period doesn't last as long as those of a number of other manufacturers including BMW and Jaguar.